Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I have an unboxing for you. I love doing unboxing videos and I just received this Better Natured Voxbox from Influenster and I'm really excited about it. I miss getting packages. Not that I was even getting a lot of PR or packages before this whole pandemic, but it has really completely basically stopped for me for the past month. So when I got this, it was such a great surprise and I'm really excited to see that Influenster is still sending out their Vox boxes, still doing campaigns. So if you're not familiar with Influenster, it's an app and you can just download it, it's free, and you can review pretty much everything on that app. Lots of beauty products, that's mainly what I review, but then also food, stores, and then you can also use that app to look up reviews and ask questions and see pictures, and it's such an awesome, helpful app. But I've been using Influenster for a year or two now, and I feel like I've gotten so many of these boxes of free product. I've gotten a lot of hair care, and you don't have to be an influencer to get Influenster free product. In fact, I'm not even signed up with my YouTube channel connected to my Influenster account, because when you create your profile, you have the option to attach your Facebook, Instagram, so that you can build up your impact score. And I'm not even able to attach my YouTube to it, so I don't even have like a big following or anything like that on Influenster, so anyone can sign up, get free product. It took me about 6 months of using the app, actively reviewing a bunch of products to finally start receiving free product. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't post that often on the app anymore, and I'm still getting these boxes pretty regularly, like every month or so, every few months, I'm getting a new free box of products. So I highly recommend signing up for Influenster if you haven't already. I feel like everyone I know that signs up for it loves it and eventually gets free product. But so, speaking of free product, let's see what I got in this. This box is so cute, and don't worry, I sanitized my box. I'm very careful with my mail and everything that comes into my house. Okay, let's check it out. So cute. This looks like a PR box. Oh, I'm so excited. We believe in good, clean fun. Better Natured. So that's the brand of the products here. I don't think I'm familiar with the brand Better Natured, but it sounds like something that is perfect for me. So it's supposed to be professional hair care with clean formulas. Sent really pretty stickers. I love the flowers. It says you can get free shipping on your first order at betternatured.com if you use the code Influenster. There you go, if you want to try out the products. Okay, so here, let's pull out this one. I love the packaging on this. So here's what it looks like. They came nicely packaged, sealed in plastic, so no spilling. So this is the Better Natured Good Clean Care, 95% naturally derived, 5% pure science. Damage repair conditioner. Awesome. Then I also got the strengthening leave-in cream. That's funny. So this one is 94% naturally derived, 6% purely science. I think that's funny that they call that out. These are such cute products. They're gonna look so aesthetically pleasing. And then I've also got the damage repair shampoo. And then there's even one more product in here. This is Shine Glaze. Ooh, that's awesome. So everything I need for my hair care. This is seriously all the products that I would use for my hair. I've got shampoo, conditioner, leave-in cream, and shine cream. Because I'm pretty simple with my hair care. I don't use a ton of different products. Maybe I'll use a mask every so often, but this is seriously all that I need. And I love that it is green, natural. It's so cool. So this one here for example, is 99% naturally derived, 1% purely science. And then when you look at the ingredients on the back, they color code it, so all of the green ingredients are the natural ingredients, and then if it's in black, it's a purely science ingredient. So they're just being so open and honest, and I love that. Wow, it even explains. So it says, according to global standard, 99% naturally derived means that plant and mineral derived materials in water, all of which undergo limited processing, make up at least 99% of the better natured formula. So that's something that I am not familiar with. Like, sure, I want to use natural products that are better for the environment, greener type products, but I don't have much knowledge on those types of ingredients. But I love that this brand is explaining that, showing the ingredients, and I think that's so awesome. I'm really excited to start using this and working it into my routine. I think it'll make me feel better about the products that I'm using, so I love that. So I have been really well stocked up in shampoos and conditioners because of Influenster. I haven't had to purchase with my own money yet any new shampoo and conditioner, so this is so exciting. I feel so lucky. So if you are signed up for Influenster, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on the app, or what kind of Vox boxes you've gotten. I love watching the Influenster Voxbox unboxings. A Vox box, I should explain, is what Influenster calls their boxes of free product. And also, if you have tried out the better natured products that I just showed today, I would love to get your feedback on them. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy, and I would love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. Because if you're not aware, I try out a new makeup product every day as part of my series. Those videos go up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and therefore I will see you tomorrow in my next video.